Khloe Kardashian had an early case of COVID-19, a new teaser for Keeping Up with the Kardashians revealed Wednesday. "I just found out that I do have corona," Khloe Kardashian said in a phone video in the teaser. "I have been in my room. It's going to be fine, but it was really bad for a couple of days. That expletive is real." The reality TV star, 36, said she experienced vomiting, shaking, temperature fluctuations, the craziest headache and a major cough. The teaser did not specify when she was diagnosed. The day prior, her sister Kim Kardashian West attempted Tuesday to get ahead of backlash over photos from her 40th birthday party by acknowledging her privilege, but that didn't stop negative feedback from fans who felt that sharing photos from a private island trip with friends during a pandemic was in bad taste. Kardashian, who turned 40 on October 21, shared a series of photos of her celebrating with family and friends on a beach, sans masks or social distancing. She clarified in her caption that they all quarantined and were screened multiple times before traveling. "After 2 weeks of multiple health screens and asking everyone to quarantine, I surprised my closest inner circle with a trip to a private island where we could pretend things were normal just for a brief moment in time," Kardashian West captioned social media posts of the celebration, adding that she realized that for most people, this is something that is so far out of reach right now. "So in moments like these, I am humbly reminded of how privileged my life is. So scary and unknown." Kim Kardashian opens up about caring alone for Kanye West's COVID-19 photos from the trip featured siblings Kourtney, Khloe and Rob Kardashian and Kendall Jenner, plus mom Kris Jenner, Kourtney's ex Scott Disick and multiple unidentified friends. Notably absent from photos, the birthday girl's husband, Kanye West, half-sister Kylie Jenner, and Caitlyn Jenner. The group danced, rode bikes, swam near whales, kayaked, watched a movie on the beach and so much more, Kardashian shared. 40 and feeling so humbled and blessed. There is not a single day that I take for granted, especially during these times when we are all reminded of the things that truly matter, she added. For my birthday this year, I couldn't think of a better way to spend it than with some of the people who have helped shape me into the woman I am today. Before COVID, I don't think any of us truly appreciated what a simple luxury it was to be able to travel and be together with family and friends in a safe environment. Backlash was swift and plentiful. Many users on Twitter and Instagram were unhappy with Kardashian's choice to share photos given that the ongoing coronavirus threat is keeping others indoors and unable to see their loved ones in person and has left many struggling financially. "Happy birthday. I hope someone got you an alphabet book as a gift, so you can learn to read the room," wrote Twitter user @Kellicknikoff. "I can't even hug my mom, but glad you got to go to your private island and do whatever you wanted," added @Itsumi Antonia. "You could have done this, just kept quiet about it, no one would know, or be talking about how out of touch ridiculous you are," wrote @MartaLiz21. To post photos about this, in this moment, when so many are struggling, sick, literally dying, is so mean-spirited, clueless, it's astonishing. Some used a famous Keeping Up with the Kardashians line against her. In a 2011 episode, Kardashian began crying after losing an expensive earring in the ocean. Kim, Terry's people that are dying, Kourtney deadpanned. More than 8.7 million Americans have contracted the novel coronavirus and more than 226,000 have died as of Wednesday, according to Johns Hopkins data. But some fans defended her, noting the safety precautions reduce the risk of transmission and that by traveling and celebrating, the group, many of which are millionaires, were stimulating industries struggling because of quarantine restrictions. The jealousy of everyone in these comments, acting as if they wouldn't jump at the chance to do something like this, tweeted @JackieKnox2. "I'm happy for you, Kim. I'm not the biggest fan of Kim, but if I had as much money as she did, I would 100% be spending it on stuff like that," added @KoroMiluvsMalo. Others made jokes, recreating Kardashian West's tweet about inviting my closest inner circle with a trip to a private island after multiple rounds of health screenings using scenes and images from pop culture.